Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add an Instagram feed in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder. Before adding an Instagram feed, let's first add a blank section. Now to add an Instagram feed, click on Add Element and select the Instagram feed element. You can resize it just like that. Before seeing how to edit this feed, let's first show you that you can duplicate it just like that. This is a second copy. You can also play with the Instagram feed visibility on mobile and also on desktop. You can also delete this Instagram feed. To edit this Instagram feed, just click on Edit Feed and you can connect your Instagram account in order to start showing your latest photos. You can also edit the items you can see on your Instagram feed. You can play with the Instagram feed layout with how many items per row and also the gap between photos. You can add an animation if you want. And always don't forget to update your website to see your changes live. And this is how to add an Instagram feed in Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.